Maybe we both know this is not our time. It's time to say goodbye until we meet again. 'Cause this is not the end. It will come a day we will find a way.
Hi, Paring Ronel. Congratulations at happy retirement. At least may enjoy mo na ang iyong 20% discount. At siyempre, more importantly, may enjoy mo na yung iyong love life, di ba? Go, go, go! Congrats, pare!
Hi, Ronel. Wishing you a healthy and happy retired life ahead. See you around and enjoy your jowa.
Hello, Ronel. I am happy that you'll be reaching a mandatory retirement. Your influence on our day will be felt long after your last day. Thank you for your service. Congratulations on your retirement. It's time to relax and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Retirement where every day is Saturday. Enjoy your well-earned and to the fullest. Goodbye tension, hello pension, let the fun begin. Welcome to Retirees Club. Enjoy your pension. Again, congratulations, Ronel. Congratulations on your retirement. God bless you. Bye.
Hello, foreclosure. Kamusta ka na dyan, Ronel? Ayos ba tayo dyan? Para sa akin, ikaw pa rin ang papapi ng foreclosure. Kumbaga sa isda, isa kang palos na kahit anong gawin at gimmick ng mga iba sa'yo, ikaw ay nakakalusot pa rin. Seryoso na. Binabati nga pala kita sa iyong pagre-retiro ngayong Marso. Kailangan mo na ding mag-relax at makatanggap ng pensyon buwan-buwan na walang tax. Gumala ka kahit saan mo gusto. Mag-around the world ka kung yun ang gusto mo. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay magkaroon ka ng isang magandang kalusugan at kaligayahan sa buhay. At huwag mong kalilimutan na magpa-check up lagi sa doktor. Alam kong noong araw nang nandiyan pa ako may sakit ka na kaya lang hindi, siguro magaling na ngayon. Diba? Time is too short to stress sa buhay. Kailangan natin ng walking, jogging, gaya ng ginagawa mo noon, yung Sabado at Linggo sa labasan yun dito sa Camp San Fernando Air Base, di ba? Iwasan na rin natin ang pag-inom nang walang pulutan. Joke. Hindi na natin kailangan maging hindi na natin kailangan maging perfecto sa buhay. Basta nakainom ka, may tama ka.
Oh, seryoso na uli.
balik tayo, binabati ulit kita. Sana maging maayos ang buhay mo sa darating ng iyong pagre-retiro. God bless. Okay.
Sir Ronel, congrats and happy retirement. Naiisip ko pa lang na magre-retire ka na, namimiss na kita. Lalo na yung mga ulam na binabahagi mo po sa amin. Salamat po!
Hello everyone there. Hi there again. It's me again. Sabi ni Ruby, mag-video message. O ito, madali na lang kasi na rito, past 10 p.m. na ng gabi. So, matutulog na. Maya-maya. Kay Ronel nga pala, sasabi ko lang, happy retirement and good luck. Good decision ang ginawa mo. So, enjoy mo na lang ang buhay. And, basta, ganun lang. Mag-enjoy ka na lang. Bye.
Hi Kuya Ronel, ano ga, kumusta? Tuloy na. Talagang eto na yon yung pinakihintay mo na unlimited relaxation. All days are Saturday and Sunday. Maybe makalimutan mo na yung Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, ano? Thanks for your friendship, ha? And good luck. See you around.
Hi, Tito Ronel! Congratulations po on your retirement. Finally po, natapos na po ang inyong hirap sa pagpasok sa opisina na araw-araw po or every other day po na pumapasok kayo sa opisina, talaga po napakatyaga. Ang pagising po na madaling araw para sumabay kay Tita Ems or kung wala naman po, commute kayo, isa po ito sa napakahirap pong gawin sa isa pong empleyado. Nakakatuwa po na finally, ito na po, nandito na po kayo sa stage na ang iisipin niyo naman po ay ang mag-enjoy. Masaya po ako, masaya po kami na makikita kayo sa akin na kayo po ay nagjo-jogging, naglalaro ng basketball, kasama po yung mga barkada, ang mga tatay. Nakakatuwa na po na makita na wala na kayong stress, na wala na po kayong iniisip na kailangang pumunta pa sa opisina para magtrabaho o isipin po ang trabaho. Ngayon po, enjoy lang po habang malakas. Gawin po ang makakapagpasaya at yung fruit of labor po, ito na po. So gawin niyo lang po, kung ano lang po ang enjoyment na meron kayo, go lang po. And alam ko po na masaya din ang mga tatay kasi ito na po, finally, wala na po kayong isipin. So, from the Tikatik family, congratulations, Tito. Happy retirement po.
Okay. Good morning or good afternoon diyan. Okay, Brother Bong, happy retirement. Welcome to the club. I think more than 30 years ka rin tatrabaho din sa Pag-ibig. I think you have a good life. Successful naman ang iyong buhay. May mga naipundar ka ng mga properties. I think you deserve na mag-retire na. Ika nga pasarap na. Sarap na sa buhay. Enjoy your retirement. Good luck. God bless. And I love you, bro. You're the best. Okay? Okay, Mama, say something.
Hey Bong, congratulations on your upcoming retirement. Enjoy, have a fulfilling life. Congrats.
Okay,
Cheers.
congrats. Cheers. Break. Okay, sakayan tayo mag-inom pag tayong pangita. Tsaka, after your retirement, magbakasyon kayo din mamasyal. Okay?
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, good day everyone. Kamusta po? I would like to thank the program host and the Master of Ceremonies for giving me the opportunity to share few words in honor of Ronel's upcoming retirement. By the way, hi Ronel. Enjoy this wonderful day as you step into a beautiful new season of life that is number 1, free from the alarms. Number 2, deadlines. And number 3, worries. You no longer have to count the days until the weekend because sooner or later, freedom is all yours. Thank you for being such an inspiration because I have personally witnessed your sacrifices, your strength, and your unwavering dedication to your entire family and to me as well. Thank you so much. Onel, we wish you nothing but the very best. We love you the most and congratulations!
Ronel, kamusta po? Happy birthday! Congrats po sa inyong retirement. God bless!
Enjoy! Happy retirement, Kuya Ronel! Approve!
Congratulations, Tito Onel, and happy birthday. We wish you a long, long life to stay with us. We love you.
Congratulations po, Tito Onel, and happy birthday! We wish you all the best and may God bless and keep you always. We love you po!
Congratulations! Happy birthday!
Bong, happy retirement. Enjoy your life. Welcome to the club. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Bong, malita ko kay magre-retire na. Happy retirement pare. No, alam mo nung tayo nagkukumpa, nagiinom, sabi mo pagod na, wala ikaw kakapagod. So happy retirement pare. Enjoy your retirement. Pre, you made it. Enjoy your retirement and advance happy birthday. Saludo ko sa iyo, pre.
Congratulations, paring Unel.
Enjoy your retirement, Pisan.
Advance happy birthday.
We love you, Pisan.
Take care.
Happy retirement. Enjoy life. And happy birthday advance.
Congratulations on reaching the important milestone. Happy retirement!
Good luck on your new journey. Thank you on your endless love and support to our family. Take care. God bless.
Looking forward sa payuda! Baka naman!
Happy retirement to you. Happy retirement to you. Happy retirement to you. Happy retirement to you.